In October 2010, Steam Whistle Brewing was named a regional winner of Canada's 10 Most Admired Corporate Cultures program in the Emerging Organizations category. This awards program has recognized leading Canadian organizations for having a culture that has helped them enhance performance and sustain a competitive advantage. The idea being that great workplaces foster a great culture that impacts performance. Steam Whistle is proud of its family-run atmosphere that promotes a work hard, play hard, cohesive culture. To enjoy this great Pilsner, visit the Bar with No Name, 1651 Bloor Street, West Toronto, www.thebarwithnoname.ca. Come on in and have a Steam Whistle Pilsner.